My name is Jacinta Siracusa. I'm riding with my partner Nathan Hanna. On this 5-day road trip, we'll be following famous motorcycle roads throughout New South Wales, encountering some of the state's most spectacular vistas, stopping off to meet locals and having some fun along the way. After unwinding in the mountains, we're making our way to flatter ground today and heading west to Mudgee, with some fun little detours on the way. As we ride, the mountainous landscape quickly opens up into the expansive central tablelands. Always taking the scenic route, we veer off the main highway and onto the famous Bylong Valley Way to check out the historic town of Rylstone. Rylstone is one of the oldest settlements in the Great Dividing Range. The tiny town is lined with beautiful 1920s buildings. We pop in for lunch at 29.99 Yum Cha and Tea House, which is fast becoming a favourite with locals and visitors alike.
Yeah, we started this business making homemade dumplings and introduce all different cultures to this town. I think the people come here just for the peace and quite a unique town.
It's back on the long and dusty path for us though. We need to make it to our final destination before sunset and checking out the thing Mudgee is best known for, its wine. Heading down a windy country road, we end up at a family-owned winery and guesthouse that pairs wine with art and nature. The Rosby Wines Cellar Door, Gallery and Sculpture Gardens.
My wife's an artist and she was very keen to have her stamp on this whole business. It actually works really well because it makes us a little bit unique. There's lots of good wineries here, but this one is the only one which has got a significant amount of art.
Tomorrow we'll forge on, winding through wide open plains until we reach a small country town in the northern tablelands, Walcha, where two dream riding roads meet. Join us on the next episode. Head to visitnewsouthwales.com for more road trip content. And don't forget to subscribe to the Visit New South Wales YouTube channel.